What up, HVAC people? Let's see what we got today. It's kind of windy up here. Feel real good though. I had my coat on earlier. I took it off. We got a sunny day out in H-Town. Got my headphones on, listening to my audio book. Monday morning, grind time. We're a little bit after lunch now. But what kind of battery life we got on here? Not much. But we got a PM today. Okay. And first I want to say to my newbies out there of my green team, if you just starting off in the field or if you're in school or whatnot, first thing you need to say to yourself is, I would never tell yourself that you're always willing to do a PM. The reason I say that because you're going to have some guys that think they too good to do a PM. And if I'm a service manager or supervisor, those guys that think they too good to do a PM, when it slow down in the winter months, and that's all, we don't have too many service calls, I'm gonna remember them guys that think they were too good to do a PM, and I just send them home. But anyway, we're gonna do a PM today. I got this whole roof to do, so I got plenty of work. It's the last meter all week. I think I probably got about 15 package units and like 8 refrigeration units over there. I do it all on my own, don't matter. No complaints. What we got here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 24 by 24 by 2s. Look like somebody had that mark there at one time, so I'm gonna redo it. This is a quarterly PM. Quarterly means we PM this unit 4 times a year. My company want us to check the pressures on annuals 1 time a year. But I check the temperature differential across the evaporator, and if it's between 2, got 6. If it's between I say about a 15 to 21 or 18, 21 split, I won't worry about checking pressure. If it's way higher than that, like a 28-degree split or something like that, I check my pressure. But go ahead and get all these panels off. Turn my power off. It's like kind of hard there. I gotta talk loud. That wind is blowing up here. Like I said, I had my coat on early. Change my filters. Plus my drain lines. Nitrogen. Some companies don't like to use nitrogen. I do though. The nitrogen can get expensive. But I add some pan tab, take a look at the condition of my coil. Look pretty good. We wash the inside coil once a year also on the annual, unless they real dirty. Let's see what we got in this compartment. I think this should be my belt. I always want to check your belt. Also change belts once a year. Got a feeling these filters are gonna want to run on me. Took my panels out before I started the video. I got my bucket though, I got pan tabs, clean my electrical, my contractors. Bought me some sharpies, had to buy me another 5/16. Well, about 3 of them. Just gotta keep them. Let's see what we got. Gotta need something to turn this power off. On this belt, March 24th, 2017. So the next PM next quarter, be trying to time to change these belts. But when you want to look at the belt though, you want to make sure ain't no cracks or anything in there. Make sure it's not wearing out. You want to check the inside of your blower wheel, because you'll get a scrub brush on your annuals. Clean the inside of these blower wheels. Okay. Check your drain pan. Check your evaporator coil. It looks good. Get an amp meter. Check your amps on your blower from the inside the electrical cabinet once you put the blower back on. But we look good up in there. Some pan tabs in there. It don't take many, really about 2 or 3. Should be good to go. Want to break them in half, that's fine too. Break them in half, distribute them out, just throw them in there. You're good to go. Another thing, when you put these doors back on, you want to be very careful to not strip these screw holes out. Do not bog them down. Really want to use a hand tool to do this, but when you got a lot of units, trust me, you're not about to do that. Had a residential unit or something like that was 1 unit. I was talking about you don't want to bog down. Have my drill going the wrong way. I want to tell you sign though. Got my magnet. Need to start keeping that magnet in my bag. I don't run a box of filters. Change the filters. I always want the metal part, I always need to go closer to your coil. and I always have it vertically. Never do them horizontally. You can, but when you have them vertically, if these filters ever get wet, it'll be harder to sag. Alright. So I do this first part of this video. I'm just kind of like a walk around and changing the filters. Then maybe part 2, I can do the electrical testing. Alright. I always want to date your filters. Gotta keep your Sharpie with you. Sharpie just like important as your 5/16 and your quarter drill bit. Gotta keep it on you. I always want to keep you a pen and a notepad and a Sharpie on you at all times. Alright. Today is 29th. 1/29/18 initial. Alright. A lot of people initial every filter. Don't make no sense to me. This initial you outside, that let you know you've been here. If you gotta if you're a service manager or something like that telling you to do every filter, they must don't trust your work or something. They want to go behind you, make sure you ain't just change this outside one. So whatever you gotta do, try to get them, instill some trust in you or something. If they don't trust, something wrong with that, but I think my work speaks